Okay.
So, which show is this? What year?
This is the 6th D.A.M show. Mama, I'm not cursing. That stands for Detroit Antique Motorcycle.
Okay, all right. So I was at the first show looking at the growth. It's been amazing. How do you feel about it from where you started to where you are now?
Today I can make this show 100 times bigger than it was when you first came out. But I didn't want to lose that feel, and hopefully you were able to get that feel from the first show. It felt like family.
Yeah.
And we know we use this word so much in the last 5 years, but we wanted it to grow organically. We want you to come in and feel like you know people and still treat it like an art show. So I'm happy with where it's grown. And yes, we're going to start advertising because we want to make sure we share this sense of care and capacity with everybody.
Harley race bike.
I do. I post myself in my truck. I really don't really. I might say here I'm
Them
over
the ones
here.
that catch me
I'm
up.
in Kansas City.
That's what I follow motorcycles.
So is it used still? Is that
Oh no, now the batteries, the new batteries getting new. First time I got there, I had to get new, they was cost prohibitive. Even the motor was $5,000. That didn't drop drastic. But what you can do with it, and this guy here, what he's doing, but because I wanted to finish look, I didn't want to go to live wheel, but I'm ready to do this. Is that the ride this fast now?
it was underground. So do you think you could, like, if you take this out of the freeway and just
Yeah, but you're not going to get the range, just like batteries with gas. If you're on that gas, you're going to burn gas faster. If I'm running 80 miles an hour time, it's going to burn.
that's, I mean, look at all the welding and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
It's great. People think does this help the cooling of the battery?
I think so. I think that's why the fins. But then the one he's doing now has a tank on it, it has 2 up seats. Unless you know, it looks like it's gas power. You can do a lot with it. The electricity's been around since the late 1800s. Pre the 1910, there was more electric cars on the road than gas cars. If you don't make a right to go on back, to the left is one of the last charging stations in Michigan. It's a moon-shaped building. All right, so my Cecil B. DeMille has told me I have to do it. I saw you turn around. You look behind you because he from the hood. What up, though? He was like, who creeping up behind me? And he pounds and he gets out there, and so, you know, he's on me in the house.
All right, so
It's all about the damn show, man.
if you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.